Good morning, students. Today's class we will discuss about least recently used page replacement algorithm. We will do the reference string. The same string we will take and we apply on this. The reference string is 7, 0, 1, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 2, 3, 0, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, 7, 0, 1. So this is the reference string. So these pages CPU wants in the main memory. If these pages are not found in the main memory, then it is called fetch mode. Now we'll see using the least recently used LRU. First one we did the first in first out and we got page faults 15. Next optimal page algorithm, in that we got we got page faults 9, but it is optimal page replacement algorithm is not feasible. It's only for study purpose. The third important algorithm right now we're discussing is least recently used algorithm. Main thing here is page not used for the longest period of time. Whatever we'll go to the backward direction. The longest period of time, whichever the page is not used for more number of time, then that page will be selected and replaced. Let us I'll take 3 frames, frame 1, frame 2 and frame 3. Here you will see that first one, page number 7 is not in the memory. The main memory has 3 frames, F1, F2, F3. So as soon as it is loaded from the secondary memory to frame 1. Second page, CPU wants 0. 0 page is not available in the main memory. Immediately it is loaded into F2 page. Next page 1, that is 7, 0. The third page is allocated into page F3. Okay. Now you see new page CPU want, that is true. 2. 2 should be replaced with any one of these pages. The criteria is which one is least used from this side, from this point towards left we have to move or backward direction. Immediately 1 and 0 is used here, where 7 is used in the last place. So 7 has to be replaced with incoming 2. Least recently used. See, recently which one is used? 0 and 1 are used. Either the title is least recently used. So 7 is least recently used or the oldest used. Okay. So like this 7 is replaced with 7. Now let us come how 0 is hit. 0 is available here. No need to replace. Now 3. 0 is here. 2 is here. Now 1 is far away from here. So in one place 3, 0, 2. This is also done. Now 0 is also hit. 0 is already available. Now 4. Recently used 0, 3. 2 is little far from here. So in place of 2 we have to replace it 4, 0, 3. Next 2. Again page 2 wants, my dear friends, by CPU. Let us check. And 4 is recently used, 0 is recently used, 0 is recently used, but 3 is here, so we need to replace with 2. This is done. So in place of 3, 0, 2. So this is also done. Now 3 has come. 3 how to replace? recently used 0. For here we are here right now. 4, 2 and 0. 0 is least recently used. So in place of 0, you have to replace with the page 3, 4 and 2. Okay. Next 0 has come. For 0, 4, 2, 3. Which one is in among these 3? 4 is least recently used. 2, 3 are just now used. So 4. In place of 4, we'll put 0, 3, 2. This is done. 3 is already available. 2 is already available. Now 1, my dear friends. 1, 0, 3, 2. So 0 is least recently used among these 3, 0. So 1, 3, 2. This is also done. Now page number 2, we'll see how it is going to be replaced. From here, 1 is here, 3 is here, and now 2. 1 is already found. So this is also page hit, no need to replace. Now 2 is also there, no need to replace. Now 0, 1, 2, 3 is least recently used. In place of 3, 0, 1, 2. This is also done. Now 1 page hit already is there, no need to replace. Now let us see 7. 1 is recently used, 0 is recently used, 2. In place of 2, 7, 0, 1. This is also done. 0 is there, 1 is there. So please find out the how many page faults occurred. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The page faults is equals to 2. For first in first out page faults are total page faults are 15, whereas here least recently used LRU algorithm, we'll go here in this backward. In that we found there are 12 page faults. Okay, this is mostly we use in our day-to-day page replacement technique. Now how to implement this? We'll implement this algorithm using counter and stack. Let us see using counter how it will be implemented. Least recently used. Using counter always we'll put a counter in the CPU. We'll put one counter in the CPU. Whenever a CPU refers a particular page in the page table, that counter right now data is copied into page table. Page table will maintain one small column. In that, for each and every page, right now a CPU is referring the particular page, the counter value is copied. In this, how we'll find out least recently used is the smallest value of the counter is called least recently used page. Then that particular page is going to be replaced. Let us see pictorially how it is happens. Counter implementation. Counter implementation of LRU. My dear friends, we'll have in a CPU, we'll put a counter in the CPU, a logical counter, and we are maintaining page table. Page table gives what are the frames are right now, which page is available in the main memory. If the page is not in the page table means that page is not available in the main memory. Then here time of use field, one more field, this field is called time of use. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 are particular first frame, second frame, third frame, fourth frame, fifth frame in the main memory. Which page is stored in particular frame? Okay, which page is loaded in the particular memory or frame? Frame number 1 loaded with a page number. Frame number 2 is loaded with one more page. Frame number 3 is loaded with one more page, like this. Each value, each page has time of use. So this counter value is stored here. Whenever CPU refers to a particular page, that particular page immediately CPU will going to copy the counter data. Counter always increments. Okay, that if suppose one is CPU accessing, immediately this will be copied. Like suppose 3 is want to access, then it will be copied. It means the lowest value in time of use, the lowest value is called least recently used. Then that particular page is going to be replaced. Okay, my friend, this is using counter implementation of LR. Next one is stack implementation. Stack implementation of LR. Here, the reference string will be stored in a stack. For example, this is a reference string 4, 7, 0, 7, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2. This is the reference. In the stack, will store all the reference string in a particular stack. Whenever a particular page is referenced, that particular page immediately kept in the top of the stack. Top of the stack always gives the present reference of the particular page. The bottom of the stack means least used page. Whenever a page in the middle, suppose this page is 1, this page immediately will put on the top of the stack. And then suppose this page it's wanted, then immediately we will put it on the top of the stack. So at the last, by doing repeated operations, at the bottom of the stack will be with the least recently used page. Okay, that page we are going to replace. For example, for this example, if you see, stack is like this 4, 7, 0, 1, 2. It means right now is here, 2 is on the top here. After this operation, page wants to that 7th page. Then immediately 4, 0, 1, 2, 7. See that this 7 will become top of the stack. This will be shown here. So 7th page now will become top of the stack. This is recently used. So all 4 always, the bottom of the stack is always least recently used. Least recently used. Then the page 4 is going to be replaced, my dear friends. So right now, today's class we discussed about least recently used algorithm and how it has to be implemented using 2 things. One is using counter, number 2 using stack. Thank you for listening to the class.